Hi guys, today I am testing Lashify, which is the DIY at-home eyelash extension kit. So this is what it looks like. It comes with two different length lashes, some glue, clear coat, this little wand thing, and then I also ordered the Lashify remover just in case I hate them and I don't want to ruin my own lashes getting them off. This whole kit cost me $166.58, and that was with a $20 discount. So I'm really hoping that I like this because there's no refunds and it's a lot of money. So I don't do eyelash extensions because they hurt. Like they just irritate me. I sleep kind of on my face and then I wake up and they're wonky and then my eyelashes hurt. So I actually prefer lash perms because my regular lashes are stick straight. So Lashify, I asked them, I actually contacted the company and I said, will this work on my eyelashes when they're straight? And they said yes, because normally you put your eyelashes on top of your regular lashes. But with Lashify, like when I say your lashes, I mean like if you do fake eyelashes, you put them on top. With Lashify, you put them on the bottom. And so I didn't want them to be like poking down because my regular lash is so straight. So here we go. Let's try this. So when you apply Lashify, your lashes have to be really clean. So I just went over with the Radiant Results. This is just a micellar water and then a cotton pad. I'm not wearing eye makeup, but I did do my face makeup and I just wanted to make sure that there was no leftover anything on my eyelashes because I really do want these to work. I didn't buy their pre-cleanse eyelash cleaner because I didn't want to spend the money in case I hated these and then I would be stuck with like another $20 item I'll never use again. So that's that. So my lashes are clean. It says to brush them out and just make sure that they're all good. What's funny is that the instructions tell you to use the Night Bond, but then the kit does not come with the Night Bond. It comes with the Whisper Light Bond, which is like, okay, well now you're making me feel like two items that I didn't purchase to apply my $168 lashes. Whatever. Let's just do this thing. Okay, so there's two different sides. There's the black side and then the white side, which is on the other side of this. So I'm gonna do the black side because when I do my lashes, I always wear black glue. So it says, apply the Whisper Light Flexible Bond concentrated at the root. Avoid excess stickiness by not applying through the tip of your lashes. All right. I'm scared. What if I close my eye? Oh, it's hard not to apply it to the tip. Okay. But I have to blink. What? Oh, I'm blinking. How do you know if it's enough? I feel like that's not enough. And then I just got some on my waterline and it says not to do that. Okay. All right, let's just do it. And then this is what the thing looks like with the lashes on it. So you grab the lashes and you just place them. Can you see? Ooh. Oh, that just, okay. I'm squeezing it so hard that it just, all right. Okay. So there's one. Can you see? Can you see that? So it sticks really easily, actually. It kind of is like a magnet. Ooh, although it's not. And then once you've applied, you go and you flip this thing over. So you apply them like this, and then you flip it and you clasp. So they look pretty good. I was expecting them to be more dramatic, but I think overall they look good. Underneath you can see how this one's kind of crooked. Let's see if I can fix that one. So honestly, they are very subtle. I see where they say you can double up, although I feel like there aren't enough on here to double up with. So these are the lashes on this eye. And I think that even though my eyelashes are stick straight, it really did not affect the lash. Like, it works. I really do feel like these are sturdy. This is cool. Okay, let's do the other eye. Ooh, that's like burning. That's burning. This eye is much harder. I thought this eye would be easier, but apparently not. So if you put on too much glue, it's also a problem. And now I have glue on the bottom. Oh my God, help me. And in case you're wondering how much of this I've used so far, so I'll probably have like 1 or 2 left. It is really easy. It's like a magnet. Look how good they look. This is so fun. I have a very round eye, so it's not all fitting in this little clampy thing. Look how pretty. And they feel like they're really on there. I'm so excited. They look so natural. They don't feel like, you know, when you wear fake eyelashes and you feel like your eyes are heavy and like, just like you want to close your eyes. And then when you do close them, it pinches because the glue is on the strip. Like, these feel really good and natural. Okay, so one thing I will say is I got a little glue, like maybe it's too much, but it's been about 5 minutes and it's kind of like, it's still sticking to these bottom lashes. So I don't know how long it takes to dry. Can you guys see that? It's a little on both sides. Maybe I'll just take this and like wipe it. That seemed to help. I'm loving how these look so far. Like, these are rad. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So I was just messaging with my friend that also does Lashify, and she was saying she's had them last for up to a week, and I asked her if she could reuse them, and she said that they, like, sometimes you can't, but for the most part you can. So that's cool. Okay, so the last step is to apply the Seal and Finish Clear Coat, which it removes any stickiness, which I do have some stickiness in here. And then it says for extended wear, apply the Black Whisper Light Flexible Bond for any gossamer touch-ups, and then fuse again. So you just, like, if you see one that's starting to lift, just reapply the bond and then you're good to go. So this is what the Seal and Finish looks like. I'm so impressed. These are so easy to do, like, amazing. Wow. Wow, that smells like glue. Ooh. This is like a really fine brush. This should be a mascara brush. This is amazing. This, like, really, this, I wish mascara brushes were this cool. Look at that. I don't know what this magic is, but that crazy lady that owns this company is on to something. I'm impressed. Even if these don't last a few days, like if I just wore these out tonight as lashes, I would be excited. I'm okay, they were $160, but besides the price, these are cool. So what I'm gonna do is wear these around. I'll probably check back in tomorrow and just let you guys know if they're even still on, and I'll just keep checking in until something happens. Okay, so it's day 3, and the first night they came off, so I re-put them on last night. They came off again, And now I feel like I can't reuse that set again. So I'm going to try again with the extra long ones. And these are the C14. I'm hoping these don't look too crazy on me, but see how this goes. I'm going to do the white glue and just re-put them on again. So it's kind of confusing because it's like you could be using too much and you could be using too little, and you're like, how am I supposed to know? So I think I must have been using too much glue, I'm hoping, and that's why it wasn't working, but I'm gonna just put these on again. And then my friend that uses them says that she puts glue on her lash and on the thing. But I think I'm gonna wait until I'm a little bit more comfortable with these before I start experimenting with that. They are really easy to put on. I do like that a lot. They just kind of, it's like a magnet. It like sticks to, oh, as it's coming off. Okay, what did I do wrong? So you do a little glue and then put on the lash. And you want to put the lash so it's not on your lash line. So I also went to order more of these today, and it's like $25 for these. And if you mess them up, that's $25 that you cannot get back. So it is very expensive. These are long. These are so long. Oh my gosh. So I read the instructions a little bit more too, and it says to not like get steam or warm water on them, which is like impossible if you shower. And then it also said to not basically like don't rub your eyes too much, just don't do a lot of stuff. So I think it's a lot of upkeep. I think extensions are a little bit easier to manage, but they're also a lot more expensive and a lot more time consuming. I do like that you can just throw these on at home, but so far I'm not seeing the value in that because it's Sunday afternoon and I'm putting on eyelashes and I'm not going anywhere. But I'm doing this test for you guys. Wow, these are pretty. I feel like I can't put another one in here because it's too long. I have an old one I'm gonna try. Put on there. So I'm gonna put a shorter one right on the inside. Okay, so I also found that if it's looking a little bit choppy underneath, you can take a pencil eyeliner, just like this, and go in on your waterline if you're doing your makeup or something. Look at the difference. That's pretty cool. Like these are pretty. Okay, so these are the 14 or C14. And then you go back over with the little Seal and Finish clear coat. And this is supposed to get rid of the sticky glue feeling. So I put on another pair yesterday and I wanted to show you what it looks like. So I washed my face last night and then this morning I took a shower and washed my hair. I didn't lose any in the shower today, but last night I lost 3 and maybe more. Like I feel like this eye only has 1 pair left. So my final thoughts on Lashify are it's super expensive for me. It's like glorified individual eyelashes. They are easy to put on and maybe I just wash my face too aggressively for these to work for me, but I don't see the value in the almost $200 that I've invested in them. So I would say that this is a pass for me. I think that I would just rather do individuals where I can take them off at the end of the day and not feel guilty about it. They look the same on me. These are very comfortable and natural feeling, but I just think for the price, it's not worth it. It doesn't justify the cost. So yeah, and I signed up to be a VIP member because I had to order more lashes. And so I got a few sets. I think I got 4 sets for $40 instead of like $100. So I'm gonna be continuing to use them over the next few weeks, but that's just, or maybe even months. Like I wouldn't say that this will be a regular thing for me. I think I'm just gonna stick with lash lifts and just putting on individuals where I want them for like special occasions or days where I really wanna go big. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. You can also find me on Instagram, which is Lauren Arrow Beauty, or my blog, which is laurenarrow.com. Thanks guys, see you next time.